Good morning, everybody. Today we have an awesome job on the books. Customer should be showing up soon. They're bringing in their brand spanking new 2023 Toyota Tundra. We're going to be installing a Retrax XR retractable cover with the T-Tracks on it. So that's going to be absolutely awesome. On top of that, we're going to be throwing the Uptop. It's the Truss AFS, the full-size mid-height rack. And then on top of that, we're going to be throwing a Kabari X 230 tent. It's going to look absolutely fantastic. Let's go get it done. All right, so we've got the Uptop, the full-size truss AFS rack installed. From here out, everything's torqued down, everything's got Loctite on it, everything's got tight. We're about to throw on the tent on top, and once that's mounted, we'll be done. We'll send it back to the customer. All right, so we got to the point where we are mounting the Kabari to the Uptop rack using the provided brackets. One thing I did want to point out though, on these stainless steel bolts on the bottom of the tent that comes included with the tent installation kit, they tend to gall up or kind of get stuck essentially when you're using any sort of like power tool on the bolts, or sometimes even when you're just using hand tools. So just recommended to use some sort of either lithium grease, regular grease, just kind of any lubricant that's good and safe on stainless steel. It's very recommended. That way when you take the back off, you don't have to cut them off. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. Customer just picked up their rig, came out perfect. Customer is super duper happy. You can find us here at Expedition Superstore in West Valley City, Utah. You can also find us online at expeditionsuperstore.com. All of the products that we did in this build are going to be linked down in the description, so go ahead and check that out. If you have any questions, give us a call. We're always happy to help. Thanks so much.